Hello and welcome to our very first webinar on a very interesting topic, Omnichannel Intelligent Call Center Software to drive success for your business. My name is Arpit Modi. I am having more than 13 years of experience in information and communication technology. I am co-founder and director of iNextrix Technologies Pvt Limited, a leading telecom software provider company. We have been founded in 2010. We have expertise in various domains such as VoIP, web, mobile, digital marketing, and designing. We are having more than 60 plus team members in-house. Our vision is to empower small businesses to large enterprises through futuristic telecom software solutions which enable them to deliver complete services and remarkable customer experience. With this vision, we have been catering hundreds of customers across the globe over a decade. Okay, so now let's start the main topic. I'll be sharing very interesting facts today about a call center software, which are actually very fundamental but still unknown to many people. So let's start. Before sharing importance of a call center software in a business, it's very important to know what exactly the call center software is. Call center software is a software which streamlines your sales, marketing, and support processes. It's difficult to understand, right? Yeah, I can understand that. But you have to imagine a situation. Let's say you are a customer, okay, and you are calling into some business for a support. So what exactly the case will be? You'll be dialing their support number and the support guy or some executive will pick your phone and they will give you the answer about your query. But let's imagine when you call in and they are not able to give you a proper answer based on your query. They might not be having your records on hand, they are not prompt, and they are not professional. So do you like to do business with such companies? Never, right? So you also have a customers who have the same feeling and same expectation that when I call in, then my call will be answered in a quick manner, my queries will be resolved efficiently, quickly, and professionally. I want someone who can manage my call or handle my call in an efficient way such that I need to be very satisfied. Okay. And apart from that, I also expect that the representative who is handling my call is having all my records, previous records, or the account information on hand. Obviously. So that is what the customer also expects. Now in businesses, there is a heavy burden of calls, incoming, outgoing calls, everything is going on. So sometimes it is very difficult to manage using a traditional phone system. That is how the feature of a call center software or a call center software comes into the picture. Understood now? Because call center software streamlines all your sales, marketing, and support activities. And that is how it can manage all the challenges which you have been facing in the business to streamline the processes and to centralize access. So that's what call center software do. So now you also understood that this is what the importance of a call center software. The very important factor here is customer service, because customer is a main key factor in all the business. So it is very important to satisfy all his needs, right? And that too in a timely manner. So customer service can be improved by using the call center software, and a satisfied customer is definitely give you a retained businesses. Okay, and the software will also improve the agent productivity, because agent will be able to handle multiple calls simultaneously, incoming, outgoing, and everything will be having in the flow. So he will have all the access. He doesn't need to look anywhere for any data. Here is an image. See the situation. This is what exactly I explained to you. Operations without a call center software. There is a heavy burden of call, and imagine, see the situation of the representative. And on the right side, we are having a call center software, the company. And see the operations are smooth. And the representative is also happy, because when we are satisfying a customer, we are also being happy, right? So the representative is also feeling happy. Okay, now this is very interesting that I found on internet. See the situation here. One customer has placed an order on a website, and the order hasn't been shipped yet. So he is asking a status to the customer service representative, and see the answer of the customer service representative. Customer calls in or send a message, and the representative doesn't know where exactly the order is. He is saying various answers, like it could be the problem with the web team, technical team, fulfillment team, inventory team, payment team, but he is not able to access their system. So the customer is asking, are you all the part of the same team? And see the answer. No, I am only in charge of excellent customer service. Now what do you think? If customer is not getting a proper answer, then is that customer getting satisfied? Is it the excellent service we are delivering? No, there is no way. So this is what actually the importance of a call center system, that centralize all your data, and all your agents can access that as and when needed, right? And also this not only increase their productivity but also the customer satisfaction. So this is very important factor, right? Okay, now here I will be sharing some interesting statistics, okay, regarding the business only. See, 89% of your customers will leave your service or business if the service is poor. 82% customers say quick resolution to their queries is a number one factor for great experience. 84% customers get frustrated when agent doesn't have their account info on the hand. 26% of consumers have experience being transferred from one agent to another without having any resolution. 70% of buying experiences are based on how the customer feels they are being treated. So if we are going for a shopping, or if we want to buy something and we do not have a good experience with that representative, then how much bigger the brand is or the product is, we are not going to buy it, right? 55% of customers would pay extra to guarantee better service. So here you understand the importance of a better service. 55%. And 80% companies feel that their agent productivity increased after using a call center software, right? So that's what the power of call center software and importance. Okay, moving ahead. Wow, intelligent call center software. Just now I explained about call center software. I'm sure you are now understood that. And again, there is a word intelligent call center software. You must be thinking, I have heard the human is intelligent, this person is intelligent. But now the softwares are also intelligent. Yes, of course. We are living in the 21st century and the technology is booming. There are a lot of inventions being made day by day. So now the softwares are also intelligent. And yes, this is the one of the biggest invention of 21st century, that is the intelligent call center software. Why we call it intelligent? Because it doesn't just have the fundamental features or basic features of a call center, but along with that it is having more advanced features based on smart algorithms. That's what make it intelligent call center software. Let's see some key features of intelligent call center software. As I said, the intelligent call center software has been built using smart algorithms and cutting edge technologies. So definitely the features are also amazing. Here are some key features. First is predictive dialer. Predictive dialer. Okay. So as the word says, predictive dialer predicts how many number of calls to be dialed based on the lead quality and agent availability. Let me explain you very clearly in a simple manner. In this software, let's say if you are having 10 agents and if you are having like 1000 of customer data to whom you want to make calls, but you don't know how many are dead calls. I mean the dead numbers and how good the data is. Now let's imagine the situation if you don't have an intelligent call center software or even a call center software, then what the traditional way would be? Your agent will be picking up the landline phone or the mobile phone, dial a number, he gets disconnected tone, put off, dial another number. So the tedious job he is doing and just wasting the time and obviously money. So here predictive dialer comes into the picture. Predictive dialer counts like, okay, we are having 10 agents, we are having 1000 numbers, he start dialing the number automatically, and based on the lead quality, let's say uh, it gets like connected to the one number out of 10, so only one call is connected out of 10 numbers, then it adjusts the dial level accordingly such that it will start dialing 10 numbers simultaneously, and as soon as the call is connected with the customer, it will be transferred to the agent. So agent doesn't need to wait to dial another number, but system will keep dialing the numbers and it will be connected to the agent. Interesting, right? So imagine how much time of the agent will be saved and the productivity will be definitely increased. Another feature, sticky agent. Sticky agent feature ensures that whenever a customer calls incoming call, then the customer will be connected to the same agent again. I have seen many times, like when I call into a call center or a business or a company, every time I talk with a new person and I get different type of answers. So how much frustration will be there, because you have to explain your case to everybody whenever you are calls in. But instead of that, if you are having the same person picking up your call whenever you call in, then it would be very easier for you to explain him the situation. So that's where the sticky agent feature is, and it will give best satisfaction to the customer, because customer is habitual to talk with the same agent. He doesn't want to talk with another agent and say tell the same story, of course. Okay, so the third feature, skill based routing. Now, along with the sticky agent and predictive dial is of course for the outbound, sticky agent for inbound, and another is the skill based routing. So the agents are having various skills. Admin can define like what type of skills the agents are having. Let's say there is a skill Spanish speaking. Okay, we have 10 agents, and out of that only 2 agents know the Spanish language. And yeah, we are of course receiving uh, calls from a Spanish customer, but the frequency is very low. Yeah, in this case, we want to make sure when the Spanish customer calls in, it should be or it must be connected to the Spanish speaking agent. So the skill based routing ensures that the skills will be matched. You know, so when a Spanish speaking customer is calling in, it will be routed right to the Spanish speaking agent. And that's how the call, I mean, the customer will be satisfied and it will have the first call resolution. Another is soundboard. Soundboard is like a music library or a audio library where we have to upload pre-recorded messages, or we can record the uh, various uh, text or the sentences or something which we have to repeat very frequently. Let's say we are having an offer and customers call in, and we all the time we have to tell the same offer to them. So in such case you can pre-record the message. Also, if you are having a different accent than your customers, then you can record the sentences or the answers in customer accent. So whenever the customer calls in, without even speaking a single word, your agent can talk to the customer in his native language or accent by just clicking some buttons. So that's what actually soundboard does. And many more such features are there in the intelligent call center software. Moving ahead. Oh my god. Now, omni-channel intelligent call center software. You are clear about call center software, intelligent call center software, and now the third one, and yes, the last one, omni-channel intelligent call center software. Let's first understand the word omni-channel. Omni-channel means multiple interaction medium. So, omni-channel intelligent call center software is the software which supports all communication channels. By all communication channels, it's not just the call, but also SMS, email, chat, help desk ticketing, WhatsApp, and even the social media. You must be wondering like, hmm, how exactly the agent will be doing it? Yes, it is true. That's what actually the main feature and the benefit of having the omni-channel intelligent call center software. Using a single screen, your agent can communicate with your customer on whatever platform the customer is sending the query. If your customer is sending query through email, your agent can just shift to the email tab and reply. If a call is coming in, he can receive the call. He can also reply to the customer on the Facebook, right? So this is what actually the omni-channel intelligent call center software is, to support all communication channel. Major benefit in today's era, customer is having a lot of power. As you know, the competition is increasing day by day, and customer has a lot of choice to go with any solution. And they also have the various platforms to search out for a different solution, such as like they can also read the reviews on the Google, they can also check out Facebook page, they can come to your Twitter account, They can also call you in. Yeah, they can email you. They can send a help desk ticket to you. So a lot of platforms are there available for a customer. Customer is powerful, but it is equally important to satisfy the customer. Yes. So to satisfy the customer, when our agent or our business is ready to communicate with the customer in whatever the comfortable channel he is in, then we will be able to provide a best satisfaction. Correct? Because when a customer feels like, okay, I am attended and my query has been resolved quickly, he gets satisfaction. Remember the statistics which I shown you in the earlier slide. The quicker the resolution is, the level of satisfaction goes high. So that's what actually the omnichannel intelligent call center software does. Improve customer satisfaction. And yes, of course, when agent is replying or answering or communicating with the customer on various platforms from a single window, obviously it will increase the agent productivity. Agent doesn't have to go into different software or to manage different applications, everything on a single window and single application. So that increase agent productivity. And obviously when customers are happy, they leave a positive review, and that is public, you know. So when another customer comes in and they look for your brand, they get a positive feedback, and that makes another customer in, so that enhance your business brand. Remember, so customer is powerful, and to cope with that, to satisfy that, we need to have the powerful system, and that's what omnichannel intelligent call center software is. Okay, now things to keep in mind while selecting intelligent call center software. Now, as you know, like many businesses have already started using the intelligent call center software, because nowadays businesses are not driven only on the revenues. Their focus has been changed to customer satisfaction and agent productivity. So we have to choose a software very wisely. Probably it is a one-time investment, and also you need to think about the long-term benefits of a software. So it is it is not something like you will be opting in for a software today and changing it every 3 months. It's difficult because it's not only you who is going to use it. You have a lot of staff member who are going to use it. So it's always difficult to train them on a different platforms, and it will be a tedious job. So there are few things I'll be sharing which you can keep in your mind while selecting an intelligent call center software, such as omnichannel communication. I already explained you like what exactly the omnichannel is. So go for that. Advanced features. Advanced features, like I said, the sticky agent and predictive dialing. Yep. Along with that, the software must be providing flexible support. So as and when needed, in case of any setup or in case of any technical queries, you should have a flexible support which can give you satisfied answers. Yeah, because when you are having a software, you need to have a better support and flexible support. Pricing model. So don't only look for like a one-time buy, because it may harm your operating expenses as well, right? So you need to check out like if some software is providing you various pricing models such that you can pay into installments and something, then you should look into that as well. Another thing is a free trial, of course. when you are going through the demos of different software, the sales agent will be giving you demos and walk you through all the features, and definitely you will like it. But many a time when we start try using that software, we find it difficult. It is possible. So it is always necessary to try the software for a week or two before buying that. So these are the things you should keep in mind while selecting a software. Next, drive success for your business using this software. Okay, what does success means for you in your business? Is it earning a lot of money, creating a brand, yeah, customer satisfaction? Obviously, success has a different definition for different people, but yes, everybody needs their customers to be satisfied, to enhance their brand, to increase the productivity of their staff, earn more revenue, and to earn more revenue, it needs to reduce the cost. So, here I am giving you a tip. While you choose a call center software, go for a VoIP based call center software, because when you use a VoIP based call center software, then your calling becoming very cheaper, because you will be using the VoIP calling, so you will have flexibility of choosing any VoIP service provider which can give you cheaper rate, at least much cheaper than your traditional landline or mobile. So that way you can reduce the communication cost, your agent productivity is increasing, so definitely your agents are quickly able to finish the work and get more business. Customers are satisfied, your brand presence is improving, and it will definitely increase ROI. So this is how you can drive success for your business using this software. Okay. Now, as a one of the leading telecom software provider company, we have our most intelligent call center software, and that is iQualify. I'll showcase you some of the features of iQualify, so it will help you out to understand it in a better way. Advanced dialers. Okay. Advanced dialers are to make the outgoing calling process smooth. As I explained you in the earlier side about the predictive dialer. So it's not just the predictive dialer, but there are more advanced dialers available which can connect customers to agent in different methods, such as progressive, that reduces your abandoned calls by connecting first to the agent and then to the customer. So only if agent is available, then and then only it will be connected to the customer. Preview dial. In preview dialer, customer, I mean the agent can see the customer information before he dial the call. So he already have all the information of that customer before dialing. Auto. You can set any dial level. Let's say if you set a 10 dial level, then for each agent it will be dialing 10 numbers continuously. So this is what auto dial. And of course, a very basic and fundamental dialer, that's manual. You can input number, dial anytime. So when you are making calls using the advanced dialers, and in between you got a number to call, which is an important call, you just stop that and start on the manual, enter the number and dial. So you are connected. So dialers are specifically for designing various sales campaigns based on the lead quality, agent availability, and type of data you are having. You can design your sales campaign using various methods and various advanced dialers that iQualify is having. Routing rules. Routing rules are for the incoming calls. So whenever any incoming call is landing into your system, you need to define a strategy and a call flow, like how exactly the call will flow. I mean, come in and go to the agent, in which way, in which direction. I explained you about the sticky agent and skill-based routing as well. In sticky agent, call comes in and connects to the same agent to whom the customer has talked earlier. In skill-based, yes, based on the skill, call will be connected. Agent ranking. So in agent ranking, we can define the rank for each our agent, and based on the ranking, the call will be connected. Let's say I am having 5 agents, rank 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So whenever any call comes in, it will be first connecting to the agent who is having rank 1. If he is busy, then it will be connected to rank 2. So let's say now the agent 1 is free, rank 1, and another call comes in, it will be again connected to the agent 1 who is having the rank 1. So that way you can provide best customer satisfaction, right? Apart from that, we are having random, round robin, fewest calls, IVR, external group. So external group is nothing but a group of mobile or landline numbers. So let's say in out of office hours, if you want your incoming call to be routed to a specific mobile number or group of mobile numbers, you can also do that, such that your customer will be attended. They don't need to leave a voicemail. You will be go into the priority support department whose numbers are listed over there. IVR. So you can route your call to an IVR where customer can reach to any department which you have configured from the same number. So press 1 for sales, press 2 for support, like that. Easy. So that's what actually the routing rules, and iQualify is having all the advanced routing rules. Omnichannel. I already explained omnichannel. So omnichannel is what that provides the multiple interaction medium and that supports all communication channel. So the image or the picture itself shows like along with call it is having email, chat, SMS, WhatsApp, SMS, then help desk ticket, social media, and whatnot. So your agent is having power to communicate with customer which is using any media. So imagine how productive your agent will be, right? Web phone. Web phone is very interesting feature because when you are using iQualify, you doesn't require any other hardware. You don't even require a phone. You just need a PC or a computer or a laptop and just a headphone. Plug in and open the portal in the browser and start making the calls. Nothing else. That reduces your hardware expenses, and that's what actually the major benefit of having the web phone, and we have it. Soundboard, as I explained in the previous example, that you can record messages which you want to play to the customers, and that too in customer accent, right? So based on the question, you can just play a button and play the message. Live monitoring and reports. Here, as a business owner, admin, or a manager, you have the facility to listen to all the calls or the conversation which is being made between your agent and the customer. You can whisper to your agent as well when he is speaking to the customer, and the customer will not listen anything. So it is a very useful feature in coaching somebody, in coaching your agent. So your agent will listen and speak to customer accordingly, but the customer don't hear anything. Interesting. And yeah, As and when if it is needed, you can jump into the call by using the barging feature. Along with these advanced dialers and routing rules, we are also having the broadcast campaigns. We are having three type of broadcast, that's voice, SMS and email. So if you want to promote your brand and wants to reach to thousands of customers in a single click, then you can create or schedule a campaign, broadcast campaign, record a message and do a voice broadcast. So whenever any customer picks up the phone, they will hear the message which you have recorded. They can also read the SMS and email. So this is how the broadcasting works. Works. So we have live dashboards where you can see all the live calls and the activities going on, account statistics, extensive reports, which will be very useful for defining the KPIs and other factors for your agents. And you can have the reporting, so you can make a realistic decisions, okay, in real time. Third party integrations, we are also providing the third party API integrations, so you can plug any software with the iQualify. Answering machine detection, so we can also detect the answering machine, and based on that the calls will be connected to agent. Along with the features, security is also very important aspect. So that is how we are having fraud detection system. So fraud detection system or a module that is increasing the security, that automatically detects any fraudulent activity in the system and blocks the IP address numbers or whatsoever based on the defined rules. So that is also a feature an intelligent call center should have. Fundamental or conventional features which all call centers should have. So we are having campaign management, call recording, web form management, coach, lead, whisper, deed management, dispositions. You can set any disposition. So whenever your agent finishes the call, he click on a specific disposition. Callback. When the agent calls to the customer and customer says call me after 1 hour, he can set a callback, and after 1 hour the call will be automatically sent to the customer and the agent can connect with him. Script. You don't need to train your agent like what to speak. You can create a script, assign it to a campaign, so whenever the agent is logging into a specific campaign, he will be able to see the script and he can read out that. Interesting. Trunk management, the call can be transferred to IVR, roles and permission, external number transfer, then live agent statistics, group transfer, call hold, dial paid, do not call, custom forms, voicemail, audio library I talked about, blacklist, number masking. So even if you don't want your agent to know the exact number of the customer, you can use number masking feature. Break codes. So whenever your agent goes on a break, he can use a specific code like lunch, refreshment, tea, then call history. Deployment. iQualify can be deployed on any cloud server like Amazon or DigitalOcean, or even on-premise bare metal servers. So whether you want to set up iQualify on a cloud or on-premise, we can deploy it. Whether you want to simplify your sales, marketing, and other activities, and whether you are a call center business or wants to opt in for the call center services, then you can have the single tenant software. But if you want to offer the call center services to your customers and launch a new revenue generation channel, then you can use multi-tenant version of our software. So we support both. Here are some deployment examples, like in a banking industry when the iQualify is set up, then The customers can either call in or can use social media, email, and it will be driven to the various marketing department, help department, or whatever way we have configured it. Actually, I qualify fits into any industry. Let's see another example. E-commerce. Same, same way. The customers are calling in or either sending email or social media, and that goes to the various departments. Wow, this is multi-tenant. So, as I said, if you want to start a revenue generation using a new multi-tenant feature, then you can have multi-tenant version of iQualify, and you can create various tenants as a company, and those companies can be either bank, hotel, e-commerce, education, or telecommunication. Any industry. Ultimately, iQualify is built to fit into any industry, regardless of the size of the industry and the features they need. Everything has been covered. This is the admin screenshot. The admin portal looks like this, where you can see the live calls running for specific agent. The agent statuses are also there. You can have various styles like number of active calls it is showing, calls waiting for agents, call ringing, callbacks, calls in IVR, agents waiting, dead calls, post agents, and whatnot. You can see everything from this real-time dashboard as an admin. Agent. So here in agent screen you can see the agent is having all the available tabs. So he can even access WhatsApp from the same page. He can dial the number using manual dial button. He can click on a play button and record the call or do any activity. Even he is having a dashboard on the top where he can see the total number of calls he has made, whether it is outbound, inbound, how many sales has been done. If he is on the live call, then it will show the live calls and all these things. So what else you are requiring? It's a complete omni-channel intelligent call center software. And yes, that too having flexible pricing models. Like we are providing monthly, quarterly, and yearly options to pay. So you can opt in based on your requirement. And of course, you can start with the basic version, and as soon as your business grows, you can upgrade to the premium version. So iQualify is flexible enough for any business. Even a small to large enterprise can opt in based on the need and the budget. So it can fit everywhere, right? Okay, so now we are done with the webinar and I will be accepting your questions and answering them. But yes, before we start with the question and answer section, I am having very amazing announcement to make. We just have released a newer version of iQualify, that's version 2.1, with a lot of new features and improvement based on our customer feedback and the team feedback. So you can opt for free demo and free trial of the latest version, and soon the features and everything will be there on our website and it will be released in the news, and you will get all the details over the net, over our website. So don't wait for that, just contact us for the free trial and demo and start your journey with iQualify, the omni-channel intelligent call center software, because its feature is to increase reach, sales, and customer satisfaction, the main fundamental on which iQualify has been built. Okay, so now we will be looking into the questions. Okay, so guys, are we having any questions? Yeah, hi Sergio, hi from India. Okay, then Prabhat, hello, good to see you all. Yes, and Meet, Nikunj, Vignesh, Samir. Yeah, if you guys are having any questions, I am here. And yeah, in the meantime, if you guys are having, uh, let's say, if you want to take a demo, then our team is already waiting for your forms to be filled up. You can just visit our web page and click on a book demo button, and also you can apply for a free trial. 14 days free trial we are offering, in which you can access all the features and taste and experiment everything based on your business scenarios. Wow, Sandro, so you have booked a free trial. Great. I hope you are enjoying it. Uh, okay. Brazil. Yes, you are from Brazil. Right. Okay, any more. Okay, I'll just take 2 more minutes and then we will end this webinar. But it's not just that's it. You can contact us anytime. We have a dedicated team who can respond you anytime. Okay, here we are having a question. How does licensing works? Is it per agent or user? Yes, we are having a single and multi-tenant setups in which the billing and the licensing works on the number of agents you are having. I hope that that answers your question, Lucky. No, the licensing is not per simultaneous calls. It is only per agent. So based on the number of staff member you are having, you can enroll for the license. You have any further question, Lucky? Yeah, you are welcome. Okay, so I hope everything is sorted out. And still any questions, just we are an email or call away anytime for you. Thank you for joining this webinar, and we are just uh, ending the session, and hopefully we will be coming soon with another interesting topic. Till then, uh, see you and take care. Bye bye. Thank you. Thank you once again, everyone.